So I've decided to come and find these Highland cows at Baslow Edge that everybody keeps talking about. Hey, it's Gav from Hiking for Health, and today I'm on a Peak District hike. And the destination is Baslow Edge, Curbar Edge and Froggatt Edge. And the plan is to try and find these elusive Highland cows that I've seen so many people talking about. The weather's hot, it's early September, and we're in the middle of a heat wave after a pretty poor summer in terms of weather. But this early September weather's certainly making up for it. So here we have Curbar Edge, and then we have the village of Curbar, Calver, and then in the little valley over there we've got Eyam, which is the plague village. Well worth a visit. Lots of history going on in there and lots to see. Some nice cafes too. Now I'm heading to the monument, Wellington's monument, and on the way I'm hoping to see some of these Highland cows. So some of this heather's clinging on to its purple colour, but the majority is starting to turn brown now. When it was in full bloom, the Peak District looked amazing. When I did my wild camp at Grinslow Knoll last month, it looked fantastic. What a day. It's about 27 degrees in September. I'd recommend Baslow Edge. If you haven't been here before, come and have a look. Great views, quite easy to get to. You can park up in the National Trust car park, or there's Curbar Gap, which is the National Trust car park, or there's lots of lay-bys on the approach road. And yeah, if you've got half a day or a day of hiking to do, you've got Baslow, Curbar and Froggatt. And what a lovely day. There's some sort of endurance race on. There's lots of people who are all signing into the base station and getting drinks. So, wonder where they're finishing. Everything's so still, yet I still get the feeling like a velociraptor is going to jump out from these ferns. So much like Jurassic Park. Now I've noticed people seem to be heading in that direction, so I wonder if that's where the Highland cows are kept. How did it come to be here? Why is it on its own? And how long has it been there? So here's the approach to Wellington's Monument, which is just tucked behind that tree over there. Down here we have the grounds of Chatsworth House, a much visited area of the Peak District, and the tiny village of Ensa, I believe it's called. It looks like Edensaw, but I later found out that the pronunciation was Ensa, I believe. And last week they had a hot air balloon festival, which looked amazing on the pictures I've seen. So I'd really like to come and see that next year. So here we have Wellington's Monument, which was placed here as a dedication to him for his victory in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. The quest to see the Highland cows continues. I bumped into a couple just up on Baslow Edge over there, and I asked them if they'd happened to see them, and they said that they had. So they gave me rough directions, so I'm heading there now. I'm still searching. There doesn't seem to be any Highland cows around here. See this chap here? He set off from Fairholmes this morning and he's doing an endurance race. I had a quick chat with him and he said, I'm one of the last ones. I said, mate, it doesn't matter where you turn up. You're doing it and that's what counts. Well done, mate. Real inspiration. 21 miles, I think he said he was doing. The hunt for the cows has ended. Here they are. Look at these guys. I tell you what, they've got it right, haven't they? 27, 28 degree heat. straight in the stream. They're very chilled out, but with cows you've always got to be on your guard, especially when there are calves about. They're also relaxed. They've got no intention of moving far. See this one here? This one has just been to the local barber's and he's got himself a centre parting. And he's rocking that with style. So now the plan is to head up to Curbar Edge for some tea and hopefully see a bit of a sunset, but the clouds are starting to form, so I'm not too sure whether we'll get one. Now the Peak District does have a thunderstorm warning tonight, and that is a rather strange cloud to have just in the middle of all this cirrus. So it's a pot noodle today with some pepperoni. These pot noodles are highly underrated. So this is one of the most amazing sunsets I think I've ever seen. There are storms on the way, so the sky is just moody. I need to get off the hill soon because thunderstorms are forecast. So it's been a great Peak District walk today. Started off down Baslow Edge, en route to find the Baslow Highland Cows, and then over to Curbar Edge for the sunset. And what a sunset it's been. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another video.